Alder Energy was started to help people to take control of their energy. Some of the biggest problems we face as a nation are our reliance on fossil fuels, and solar is really proving to be a huge benefit in the Southeast for people to take control of their energy, reduce their energy spend, and do it in a very clean fashion. One of the key things that separates Alder Energy from other folks are we install all of our own systems using our own personnel. And the reason we do that is so that we can maintain the quality of what we do and the customer focus. We have had a lot of our customers commend us on the fact that we really go that extra mile to make sure that the customer's needs are taken care of, that the installation goes smoothly, and that at the end of the day they've got a really high quality product that is going to last a long time.